Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin yesterday again pumping to 58k. It's holding that 50k area. People chatting in the guru chat. 2.13 trillion market cap, 89,000 viewers on Bitcoin Price.live. You can set this up on your TV as well, and you can see that Bitcoin has just been chopping around recently. And this is forming kind of a descending channel, but it is building an overall bigger bull flag. We're still at fear 32, fear. Bitcoin dominance 53%, funding fee almost negative, sitting at 58k and quite holding here in this position, which is interesting. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my $620,000 account pumping yesterday, which is beautiful. And I'm going to read your requests. Let me know any tickers or anything you'd like me to analyze down in the comment section below. And let me know what country flag you are. Post your country flag in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Tesla slightly up yesterday. World slightly down, almost even on the markets. Meta was up 2%, Google 2%, Nvidia 2%, Tesla 1%, Bitcoin about even. Let's go on to the weekly. Bull flag, volume still good, stochastic turning up. Looking nice on the weekly. Bitcoin in the Crypto Guru bot you get in jamescryptoguru.com. Still a blue buy from 20k. Hasn't fired red sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell. Did not yet fire a buy about 2 weeks ago. Volume still strong. Let's go into the daily. We have on the week, we still have 3 days left, but very big volume already. Wow, big buying volume. Almost higher than last week, but we still have 3 days remaining. Interesting. On Bitcoin, still in this descending wedge that I talked about last week. Builds pressure, breaks out the base of the wedge. Target is 64k, and we're still in play. Stochastic, though, is moving up very fast without much pumpage on Bitcoin, which is not so beautiful. But that bull flag is still, that descending wedge still in effect. And I also see Bitcoin is trying to form an inverse head and shoulders here. Inverse head and shoulders, which is another bullish pattern. As I teach you in the Crypto Master Course, inverse head and shoulders work like this. Shoulder, head, shoulder, pump out. So I do think Bitcoin can go for a run on this inverse head and shoulders and this descending wedge. Trade from yesterday still not active. I would still keep this safe trade at 55k. Stop loss 55,200, and I would make a riskier trade off this support with a very tight stop loss. Same target of the bull run, 104k. So this one opens at 57,300, stop loss 56,900. Take profit 105, risk reward 139 times. Risking every dollar is $139 potential gain. This trade risks $342 to make $47,800, no leverage. 10x leverage 480,000. And this trade risk reward 154, risking 320 to make 49,000. Tell me where you can risk $342 to make $47,000. Let me know in the comment section. Those are the two trades I'd take. One at 57, one at 55. 57 being riskier, 55 being the main one that I would take. I'm going to show you my $620,000 account. If you want to trade like you're about to see me do, go under the video, sign up to Bybit. You get a $60,000 bonus when you use this link. It is my favorite exchange for trading. Lowest fees, safest exchange. It's the second biggest in the world. Take the Crypto Master Course to learn all this, how to set up charts, how to trade, how to do technical analysis, and then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. My Bybit account right now is 618,000, which is beautiful. This week we went from 565 to 611. So this week I made 35 plus 18. $53,000 this week, which is beautiful. This month, I went from 564 to 639 to 565 back to 618. But I have built up massive positions here, everyone. I've been building up my positions. So I'll show you on Bitcoin. I've been accumulating a lot of different positions here. So you can see my buys on Bitcoin. I sold here at 65k. Then I bought down here, and I bought the bottom at 52k. I don't know why it says a sell there, But I've got Bitcoin 18%, 1.66 Bitcoin, USDT 31%, 165K in cash, 18% Doge. Doge is right now 98,800. I've got MCRT 12%, Uniswap 8%, Ethereum 6.9%. That's my asset breakdown. This is my Bitcoin trade, $4,400 in the profits. It's a $430,000 trade, $4,400 in the profits. And you can see where I sold Bitcoin here. I closed my trade in the profits at 65K, and then I bought down here at 52K this trade. This was a very nice trade. And I've built big positions right now, which is beautiful. Doge is also up a little bit today. And this is my asset breakdown. Now let's get into Doge. I want to see Doge again and Ethereum. Let's do Ethereum first. Ethereum, 4-hourly day. Let's go into the daily. Major support. I would try to take a trade from 2,200 on Ethereum. It looks like it could be ready to go. Target of this boom run will be 4,700 on Ethereum. This is the trade I'll take. 2,200, stop loss 2,100, take profit 4,700, risk to reward 28 times. That's good to go. Let's look at Doge, above 10 cents. Elon Musk tweeting about Doge. He's been warning everyone a lot lately. He's been tweeting about it almost every day. The richest man in the world, everyone. Descending wedge breaks out. Target is 20 cents. I think we're about to have some big move from Doge, and it's ready to break out. You can see it's getting resisted exactly on the trend line that I drew. Amazing, right? Let's read some of your questions. Love the videos. Huge volume coming in on World. Limit orders 90 cents. I can check. World $1.50. Big buying volume coming in yesterday, but I wouldn't say huge. If you look at it, the volume is growing, but a little bit small, not so massive. Yesterday was a big volume. It is forming a pattern though here. Descending wedge a little bit. If you're trying to long Doge, World, I would take a long from this support down here. $1.20 would be the target of a long on World. And then targeting back to $1.90. Risk towards 16 times, which is beautiful. Hello Gurus, what can you say about TIA? I don't know that one. If there's more requests, I'll do it. Translate into Portuguese. Cool. I think we do have a Portuguese channel, everyone. There's James Crypto Guru in Portuguese. Just wait until 8 a.m. Eastern time. Translate. Pressure is created, pressure, and you go down in your balance since the beginning of the year. My account is actually up massive so if you followed this account 1 year ago, it was 150,000. Then at the peak of the bull run I got in March when I sold everything, it was 920,000. I managed to keep 780 when I sold everything before the drop. But I did withdraw. You can see here on my account, I've withdrawn quite a lot of funds from this account, more than a few 100,000. So it's all-time high. And I've been spending from this account hundreds of thousands. Thanks, Guru. You're welcome. When do you think Doge trade will play out? Ready to break out? Best YouTuber. Thank you. Broke out of descending wedge. Already up 30% since the bottom. Target, though, of the wedge is 19 cents or 20 cents, as we just said, which is beautiful. You can also join us in the Telegram. There's 145 of you online charting and chatting together. So you can join them in here. 145, 4,100 members there. Ethereum trying to break out on the 4-hourly. And you can just see everyone talking and sharing charts and discussing together inside that Telegram. Again, all the links are down below. Also on X, I've been talking about this. Elon Musk has been tweeting about Doge a lot recently. This was me in 2018. When I first started buying Bitcoin, nobody in the real world knew what it was. Today, I think Bitcoin Cryptosphere, I made a thread about this in 2018. You should check it out. 6.2 billion. So Tether made 6.2 billion in profits last year, but they only hold 4.3 billion in Bitcoin. So they hold less Bitcoin than they made in profits in just 1 year, which is not so beautiful. And you can just see, in Australia, they're trying to fascists. They're trying to limit free speech in Australia. Everyone, go and support Elon Musk. He's the champion of the people and free speech. If you're against him, you're against free speech and you're pro-communism and you're pro being locked up, injected, and the government telling you what you can do with your family, where you can go, what you can do online, where you can spend your money, how much money you can spend, where you can travel, how many days a week you get to go out of your house, how far you can drive with electric cars or petrol. This is what you're voting for when you vote for fascists or communists or people that want to restrict your freedoms in the protection of children. like that Simpson show. Think of the children, but they're really just trying to destroy you. When they block your free speech, they block your freedom. It's just a matter of time. Love you all. Have an amazing time, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.